just picked up all the stuff to get my big garden in and a few more potato tires. If you guys like, if you want to save a ridiculous amount of money, grow your own vegetables. It's amazing how much you save by having your own garden going. Those onions are from last year. They just keep growing. You get green onions if it's warm enough, you got green onions in March and stuff. So, you know, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to dump all these bags in here and in the tires, and I'm going to till this whole garden and start planting some plants. I got a few plants here and I got a whole bunch of seeds I got to start. So anyway, I'm gonna get to it. Okay, so these potatoes I'm growing with the eyes that are just out a little bit, not as long as the other ones. The other ones were like feet long. I'm gonna see which ones do better in the fall. All right, so the date is time stamped on the footage, so I know exactly what day it is, so I will mention that in the video or put it in the editing or whatever, and you can see the difference. All right, after many hours, I got this tilled, all the peat moss and sheep poo in there dug up, and then I got 2 potato tires done as well. So I got 6 in total, so I have about 75-80 pounds there in potatoes, and the seed potatoes to start for next year. So that's the way she goes.